Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we take a steady, fact-based look at how criminal cases reach final outcomes. This content is for general education only and not legal advice. Today's case involves Fetty Wap, whose federal prosecution highlights how conspiracy and drug trafficking laws are applied in large, multi-defendant cases. According to court records, Fetty Wap, whose legal name is Willie Maxwell II, was charged in federal court with participating in a conspiracy to distribute controlled substances across state lines. Prosecutors alleged that the operation involved transporting drugs from the West Coast to the East Coast using commercial and private transportation methods. One key fact was the scope of the conspiracy. The government did not need to prove that Maxwell personally handled every shipment. Instead, prosecutors focused on whether he knowingly joined and furthered an agreement to distribute illegal drugs, a core element of federal conspiracy law. A second important issue was evidence. The case relied on intercepted communications, cooperating witnesses, financial records, and surveillance, all used to establish coordination among multiple participants over time. A third factor was procedural posture. Rather than proceed to a full jury trial, Maxwell entered a guilty plea to conspiracy charges. Guilty pleas are common in complex federal cases and often reflect the strength of the evidence and sentencing exposure. In 2023, the court sentenced Maxwell to a term of federal imprisonment followed by supervised release, bringing the criminal case to a definitive procedural conclusion. One clear legal lesson from this case is how conspiracy law expands criminal liability. Courts focus on agreement and intent, not just direct physical involvement, when determining responsibility in organized criminal activity. How should courts balance individual accountability within large conspiracies? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you value calm, neutral explanations of criminal cases, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.